Students, class 9th, chapter 1, number systems, exercise 1.4, question number first. In this exercise, you have learned to visualize the decimal number on the number line. First question, visualize 3.76 on the number line. To draw this number on the number line, first we draw the number between 3 and 4. After 3.76, after 3.7, what will come next? Natural number 4. To draw a line segment of 10 centimeter and divide it into 10 parts, the line starts with 3. See here, 10 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4.0. Now 3.765, it comes in between 3.7 and 3.78. Here it will come. Now we draw again a number line between 3.7 and 3.8. We draw a line segment 10 centimeter, starts with 3.7 and end with 3.8 and divide it into 10 parts. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first number is 3.70, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and 3.80. Now the number comes 3.76. 3.76 come between 3.76 and 3.76 and 3.77. The number lies here. So we draw again a line of 10 centimeter and divide into 10 parts, then start with 3.76 and end with 3.77. See here, draw a line segment of 10 centimeter, divide it into 10 parts. Now 3.760, 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769, 3.770. Now we reach the target 3.765. See here, this is 3.765. This is the answer. So we visualize 3.765 in draw 3 times the number line. First we draw a number line between 3 and 4, then we draw a number line between 3.7 and 3.8, then we draw 3.76 and 3.77. In between 3.76 and 3.7 we reach the exact point 3.765. Question 2 of exercise 1.4. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places, that is 4.26, 4.2. This number you have to draw on the number line. After 4, what will come? 5. So first we draw a number line between 4 and 5, line segment of 4 and 5, and divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start with 4.0, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5.0. Now see here, the number comes between 4.2626 comes between 4.2 and 4.3. Here it comes. So we draw a line segment of 10 centimeter and start with 4.2. Draw a line segment of 10 centimeter and divide into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start with 4.20, 4.201, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.30. And now where our number comes 4.26, 4.26 and 4.27. In between 4.26 and 4.27, 4.2626 come. So we draw a line segment of 10 centimeter and divide it into 10 parts and start with 4.26 and divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Start with 4.260, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, 4.270. Now see here where our number comes between 4.262 and 4.263. Here our number comes 4.2626, in between 4.262 4.263. Now again we divide the line segment into 10 parts. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will start with 4.2620, 4.2621, 4.2622, 2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629, 4.2630. So we reach the number 4.2626. This is our number 4.262. In this way you can visualize the number on the number line. First we draw a number 4 and 5. So in between 4 and 5 we reach the number 4.2 and 4.3. Now draw again a number line 4.2 and 4.3. In between 4.2 and 4.3 we reach 4.26 and 4.27. We start with 4.26 and with 4.27 we reach the number 4.262. Now again we will start 4.262 and with 4.26. If we divide this into 10 parts we reach the number 4.264. I think you understand the visualize on the number line. Chapter 1, Number Systems, Exercise 1.5. In this exercise you have learned about classify the rational and irrational numbers. You know that what is rational number? P upon Q form is a rational number. Q not equals to 0. Irrational number non-terminating and non-repeating numbers, non-terminating and non-repeating numbers, or not perfect square. You know these two things and some properties. If x is a rational number and y is a irrational number, then x plus y is always irrational number. Similarly, x minus y is always irrational number. X into y is always irrational number. X divided by y is irrational numbers. Properties, identities of irrational numbers. First, if you multiply it by root a into root b, you can write root ab. If you root a plus b, root a minus root b, you will write a minus b. Third, root a plus root b whole square is equal to a, root a का square a plus 2 root ab plus root b का square b. Fourth, if you divide root a upon root b, you can write root ab. Now, exercise 5.1, question number first. Classify rational and irrational numbers. Question number first part, 2 minus root 5. Here you see that 2 is rational and root 5 is irrational. So their subtraction is always irrational number. Second part, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. This is the question. First we simplify, then tell the answer. Now simplify it. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Root 23 cut. This implies 3. Now what it becomes? It is a rational number. Now third part. 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Now what you do? You cut root 7 upon root 7. What is left? 2 upon 7. Now you know that it is p upon q form. Q not equals to 0. It is a rational number. Now fourth part of this exercise, 1 upon root 2. 1 is rational but 2 is irrational. When divide property we use, 1 upon root 2 is always 1 rational and 1 irrational is always irrational number. Fifth part, 2 pi. Pi is always irrational number because it is non-terminating and non-repeating. So it is irrational numbers.